I have already हांवें सद्दां सांगता असेंब्लीन ऑर आउट ऑफ असेंब्ली हे ट्युरिस्ट येतात ते कायदे मानून तेंगे ट्युरिजम करपाचें वेदर यू आर इन अ रेस्टॉरंट यू आर इन अ पब or whether you are driving a vehicle, you must know to respect, and respect you will get if you show respect. आमी आयकतात कितले पाटी आमचे लोक हे लोकां पळोवन हे लोकांगे एटिट्यूड पळोवन आमचे लोक बेजार जातात आनी चड पाटी झगडी पासून जातात. ड्रंकन ड्रायव्हिंग इज नॉट समथींग न्यू. इन फॅक्ट हांव इतले रागार जालो काल त्या एक लेटर केला आणि आयज हांव दितां टू द चीफ सेक्रेटरी, टू द डायरेक्टर जनरल ऑफ पुलीस and to the transport department. My first charge is that the police and the transport departments have failed to take action to curb drunken driving. हांव कितें म्हणटा, आमगे कितले पब्स आनी बार्स आसात, many what we call watering holes, late night party जाता आनी येतात गाडी चलयतात कशे भाशेन, थोडे शेतान पावले, थोडे पोलाचे मारले आनी थोडे लोकांक मारले. हांव गोंय भायर गेलो तेन्ना, बेंगलोर गेलो तेन्ना, मुंबय गेलो तेन्ना राती पुलीस आसतात, ब्रेथ एनालायझर टेस्ट करतात, ब्रेथलायझर म्हण आहा तें, तुगे अल्कोहॉल लिमीट चॅक करतात. भायर गेले जाल्यार पार्टीक लोक वयता, 5 जाण गेले जाल्यार गाडीन एकलो पिना, 4 जाण पितोले, दे टेक टर्न्स. पूण हिंगा केअर करनात. लोक येतात पितात आनी तेंक दिसतात म्हाका दम आसा, दे थिंक दे आर हिरोज ऑफ सम फिल्म and they think they will drive. Sometimes they even demand that they will drive, and this are mostly tourists, not that our Goans have not done it. And mostly tourists think this the paisa asat म्हणून that they own and they can control the roads and every place that they go. They become boisterous and they become high-handed, and this is the manner in which they are driving on the road, killing innocent people. So my first charge has been that the police and the transport department has been inefficient. And why I am writing to the chief secretary is because they need funds that they will buy this equipment. Then what is the use? So you have to release the funds so they have this equipment. Be outside these places. We party cholo tinga rawat. Check korat. Soglank blow kor mun sangan check kor alcohol limit. And another demand I have made in this letter of mine. Tumi podel astolo, there is a very famous case in Bombay, Alistair Ferreira. Alistair Ferreira was drunk. He was apparently son of a very high profile industrialist. Poish ashile with some big swanky car. He was drunk, drove on the pavement and killed I think 6 people or something like that, who was sleeping on the footpath. Teka 304A, maximum 2 years imprisonment asa te. 304A ache teka punish kello, sentence kello. To appealan gelo ani sarkaru appealan gelo. In that, our Justice Swatantra Kumar, when he was the Chief Justice of our High Court before becoming Supreme Court Judge, he ruled that this kind of cases cannot be simply 304A, it has to be 304 Part 2, because you are causing death by a rash and negligent act, with the knowledge that this will be caused, that will be caused by your rash and negligent act. This matter was taken to the Supreme Court, and his lawyer was Uday Umesh Lalit, famous criminal expert who finally became a Supreme Court judge. The appeal was dismissed, and tinga judgment ankit mulla, you know the consequences of your act. So mugi ata o judgment use koron the letter I am boroyla under section 307. Title is attempt to murder, but you don't look at the title. The wordings are whoever does any act which is rash and negligent and by such act is likely to cause death. Death nakatinga, likely to cause death, he will be punishable for imprisonment up to 10 years. It's a serious offense. And if any hurt is caused by that act, it will be life imprisonment or 10 years. हांव सेकंड पार्टाचे पळयना, हांव फर्स्ट पार्टाचे पळयता. तें आर्ग्युमेंट हांवें घायलां म्हगे लेटरान. म्हगे कितें मागणें सांगपाचें थिंगा, तूं मोटरान बसलो, पिवन बसलो आनी पिवन म्हणलें आउट ऑफ द लिमीट. बेश्टो एक ड्रिंक मारला ओ कितें कॉफ सिरप गेलें तसलें न्ही, थिंगा अल्कोहोल मेळटा. म्हण वेन यू आर आउट ऑफ द लिमीट, permissible limit, and you are drinking and driving. And also I have said about stunts. दोन आसात हांवें तेंय म्हणलां. स्टंट ड्रायव्हिंग, कोण उबो रावन चलयता, मोटरान उबो रावतात आनी चलयतात, रिवर्सान बसतात आनी चलयतात, आमी चलयला पुरो आमकां. So I said this is an act which you know the nature of each can cause death to someone. Therefore I have said apply 307, arrest these people. पिवन टुरिस्ट वयतात, तूं मासा थिंग रस्त्यार कितें कोत्तात थिंगा. सो दीस इज माय डिमांड दॅट यूज द ब्रेथलायझर टेस्ट किट्स आसात ते यूज करात, चॅकिंग करात इन दीज हॉट स्पॉट्स वॉट आय कॉल. एंड सेकंड इज book these people even if they don't make an accident, book them under 307 and there will be sanity for following the law.
अल्कोहोल लिमिट चेक रेग्युलर चेक जाय, जेन्ना इन्सिडंट जाता हायलायट जाता तेन्ना चेक करता थोड्या दिसांनी, मागीर परत चेक करना, हेजेर तुमकां कितें सांगचे दिसता? तेंच
म्हणटा रेग्युलर आसपा जाय न्ही. मुगे रिक्वेस्ट त्या लेटरान कितें, हे जागे आहात थिंगा तुमी जाणात, कित्याक एक पार्टी पासून चलत तेन्ना टू डिस्ट्रिक्ट मॅजिस्ट्रेट आनी पुलीस क्लियरन्स दिता. म्हणून तुमकां खबर आसा पार्टी खूंय आसा. सो आमगे गोंयकार पासून जायत, कोण पिवन कोणाक मारले जाल्यार इट कॅन बी हिट एंड रन केस ऑल्सो, मागीर कशें ना कोणें मारला. सो आय से that you have to be strict in all these places, not only drunken driving, ते उतरां यूज केला. I have also said stunt driving.